Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve this interesting math problem. We're going to solve for integer c that will satisfy this equation. C factorial is equal to c cubed minus c. So let's get started. From the left hand side, we know c factorial, we can rewrite it as c multiplied by c minus 1 factorial, right? So this is equal to, from the right hand side, we have c, which is common. So when you factor out c, then in the brackets, we are left with c squared minus 1. Now, we know from both sides, we can get rid of the c's, right? But we need to check out if 0 will be a solution here. We know at the left-hand side, if 0 is a solution, then we're going to have 0 factorial at the left-hand side, which is 1. And on the right-hand side, we're going to have 0 cubed minus 0, which is still 0. But 1 is not equal to 0, right? With this reason, we're going to cancel out c from both sides, since 0 is not a solution. So these both get cancelled, and these both get cancelled. So from here, we are left with c minus 1 factorial is equal to c squared minus 1. Again, we can extend this. So this is same as c minus 1 multiplied by c minus 2 factorial. So this is equal to here, using the difference of 2 squared. Remember, 1 is same as 1 squared. So this is going to be c plus 1 multiplied by c minus 1. Now again, we have c minus 1 from both sides. Should we cancel them out? Let us check if 1 will be a solution, because if you take this whole term to the left hand side, you can factor out c minus 1 and set it equal to 0 and get c is equal to 1. But we need to check out if 1 is a solution. Now, at the left-hand side, 1 factorial will be 1. Here, 1 cubed minus 1 is 0. 1 is not equal to 0, right? Therefore, c is not equal to 1. Then, again, we divide both sides by c minus 1. So, these get cancelled. These get cancelled. We are left with c minus 2 factorial is equal to c plus 1. Okay, now, so from here, since we know that c is not equal to 1 and c is not equal to 0, let us check out if c is equal to 3, it will be a solution. So here we're going to have 3 plus 1, which is 4, right? And here we're going to have 3 minus 1, which is 1. Then 1 factorial is not equal to 4. Therefore, 3 is not a solution. What about 4? We're going to have 4 plus 1 here, giving us 5. And here we're going to have 4 minus 2 factorial, which is not equal to 5. So c is not equal to 3 and c is not equal to 4. Let us check if c is equal to 5. Here we're going to have 5 plus 1 giving us 6. Here we're going to have 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 factorial is equal to 6. Therefore, c is equal to 5 is a solution, right? What if c is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and so on? I don't think there will be any other integer solution from there. Because the left-hand side here, if c is equal to 6, we'll get 6 plus 1, which is 7. And we know no factorial number is going to give us 7, right? If c is equal to 8, we get 9. If c is equal to 10, we get 11. If c is equal to 11, we get 12, and so on. What if c is equal to 23? We get 23 plus 1 is 24. But here we're going to have 22 factorial, which is extremely large. So once c is exceeding 5, then we find out that c minus 2 is going to be larger than c plus 1, which shows there is no other solution. So therefore, in our conclusion, we can say c is equal to 5 is our only solution, our integer solution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.